What's up, team, baby? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. But how y'all doing? So, today, listen up. We have, what is it? A super simple recipe. So, you guys have been asking for more recipes, which I am putting more on my other page, my Patreon page. But I'm still gonna create recipes here for you guys on the YouTube. So I've already started to prepare what's going on here. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is a nice, healthy, of course, plant-based salad. I already have tempeh and some like vegetable rice cooked from the other night that I might have on the side, but I wanna show you guys a super simple, easy salad to get your greens in that taste really good. My mom actually made this when she was here, and so I'm remaking it because it was so good. So I cut up these mushrooms, some carrot, we're gonna cut up some celery, some cucumber, but I'm gonna take out the seeds because I don't really like them in my salad. And then what I did here was I shaved some Brussels sprouts because it tastes better in the salad than like whole or like half Brussels sprouts. So you just get like a cheese grater and just grate the Brussels. And I already did like 6 of them because I don't want to sit here and bore you guys and like be shaving Brussels sprouts. So, and it's really messy. So just watch or be prepared to clean. And then throw away the tip. Yep. Okay, so I have already a bunch of Brussels sprouts shaved in here. So the best thing to do and the easiest thing to do is cut all your veggies first. So then all you have to do is, if you prepare these things first, it makes your life a bunch easier, because a lot easier, because then all you do is cut all your veggies, throw it in the bowl, add the lettuce, add the kale, add whatever greens you're gonna use. You can add beans on top of this. You can add, the one thing I ran out of is the garbanzo beans that are like hard, that come in, like you can buy them at the store. Those are so good on here, but I ran out because I ate them all. So add whatever your heart desires into this huge salad and eat the greens. So I love celery, and celery is actually really good for you. So if you put it in a salad, if you're not like a huge fan of it, then it makes it easier to eat. You can cut it up into like little baby bites. So basically, I just chop all my veggies. I'm just doing, like I said, just like a quick cut. Okay, so now add the celery and all of the shroomies, which are great in vitamin D, and so you need your vitamin D, so eat your mushrooms. If you don't like them raw, you can always cook them before you put them in the bowl, but I actually like some raw shrooms. And then the carrots, I just slice, but I'm gonna cut them a little bit smaller. Carrots are good for the eyes. So see, I'm making a bowl of happiness, a bowl of vitamins and vegetables. So I'm gonna scoop out this, yeah. Okay, so you just detoxify the cucumber when you don't want the seeds inside. Some people like the seeds, but I'm not a huge fan of the seeds. So I like to cut them into like little smiles, and then sometimes in half, and throw them in a bag. So cut them in half. And this is like no excuses, you guys. Look how fast I'm making this. And like I said, if I wasn't distracted by the camera, I can get this, like, you guys have no excuse. This could be done less than like 20 minutes. So anyways, all veggies are cut, and you know. Oh man. Well, I just opened my avocado a different way, so now I gotta use this one. So basically the best thing to do is season all of the veggies first with your sauce, because then you add in your spinach and your kale, and so it doesn't get soggy. So we're gonna make the dressing for this. You can either make it on the side or just throw it in the bowl. I'm just gonna throw it in the motherfucking bowl. So first things first, we're gonna do lemon. And if you don't want the seeds in there, like I'm getting like 10 in there, you can do it a different way. But right now, just going for it. If you eat a seed, hey, it might grow a lemon tree inside of you, or you can pick them out. Wow, these have so many seeds. Okay, so you can either do this, and your hand will catch the seeds. See, look, there's like 10 seeds in there. So you could do it that way, and your hand will catch the seeds and the juice will drip right through. Make sure your hands are clean, and especially if you're cooking for somebody else, because that's pretty gross. I always, like, I wash my hands like 15,000 times a day, but especially while I'm cooking, and before I'm cooking. Okay, so now that we have seeds, lemon. Okay, so lemons first. Now, sometimes I do onion and garlic. We are adding my favorite liquid aminos. So just go as you please. I never measure. Balsamic. And I am so not doing it today with the spillsies. Go as you please. Okay, so we got some garlic and herb, and that looks about right. Some paprika. Ooh, this is gonna be spicy mommy hot tamale. Italian medley. Now there are some things that I can't have right now because of my surgery. I can't have spicy stuff. So unfortunately there's some spices that I can't use, but you guys can spice it up with whatever you like. And this is the original blend. Okay. Oh, let me tell you, vegan gold right here. This is called nutritional yeast, which is very good for you, high in vitamins B12, which I need especially right now. So we're gonna salt bae this. Vegan gold. A little bit more. Because it's so good. Okay? And then, this might be weird, but actually a little bit of coconut spray. Because I don't do oils. Except for olive oil. Alright. So we're going to start here first. And we're going to mix all of this goodness. Oh my god, you guys. This looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. You can't even see what I'm doing. How's that? Okay, look at that. Okay, so now you must try. And we're not even done. Okay. So now, little tip for you to make like a creamy sauce. You can either mix these together or just throw it in like I'm about to do. Hummus is such a good dressing. So I'm gonna add in hummus and barbecue sauce. Yes, this is sugar-free barbecue sauce, and it is so good for salads. I'm telling you, it's like a chipotle salad that is to die. Okay, then mix this bad boy up. This looks like heaven. Heaven. I can't do that. Okay. Baby spinach and baby kale. For little baby. So now you add in this so it doesn't get soggy. I'm making a salad for like 10 people and it's just me. That's wow, I am messy. Messy. Okay, so now that the lettuce is there, we're going to add a little bit more aminos just to spice it up. And a little more balsamic. Yep. Okay, and then this also makes it creme. So we're going to add our dropped avocado and hope that it's still okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All we gotta do, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Throw it in there. Take out the pit. And this will make it, I mean, avocado, come on. If you don't like avocado, I really can't be friends with you. It's just never, ever gonna work out. Okay? So, it's probably not okay. And don't mind the situation right now. When I'm in cooking mode, I don't care what I look like. Okay. So stir it up. Darling. Stir it up. Wow, I should have a party. This looks so good. I should be hosting an event right now. This looks so good, but guess what? It's just me, myself, and I. Oh my. I seriously have enough salad for like 10 people. Okay. Looks like my job is done. Alright, so you can add garbanzo beans, sunflower seeds, beans, the magical beans, but I'm going to add my tempeh, like I said, that I already cooked, and probably some rice. So I don't need more beans because tempeh is made from beans, soybeans, and the rice. Yeah, so this is a lot. But you guys, let's take a gander. Okay, we have a huge bowl of amazing goodness. Like this right here is my salad. If you don't like to eat salads, you will like to eat salads now. So I recommend go to the store and get these ingredients. I promise you, you will not regret it. It's so good. So hard. No, but really, you guys, give this a try. Pair it with some tofu or some barbecue tempeh. Add some more beans, add whatever you want, but There's no excuses to this healthy lifestyle because, like I said, whatever you put in your body internally is going to reflect externally. And if you watched my previous story on being in the hospital, it's so important to eat healthy so you are healthy and you feel good and you can live a long, beautiful life. And think about what you put in your body before you put it in your body, because if it doesn't benefit you, then what good is it? It's just, think of it as food is supposed to fuel you and fuel your body and have you glowing, have you feeling good. So if you don't feel good, how are you going to get work done? I mean, I can go on and on and on. Anyways, I'm just trying to show you a good salad recipe. So, good job, chef. We shall go eat now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon.